What's up everyone, Technology Show Off here, and today we're gonna unbox the Adora mini splitter for your iPhone 7 or newer. And what this thing is supposed to be is a splitter, obviously, but it allows you to charge your phone and listen to music through your earbuds or aux port if you have one of these doohickeys right here. Yeah. You have one of these things, you can have an aux port plugged into this little thing too, so you can listen to music off your earbuds or your speakers or something like that. So yeah, so get you one of these things too. Anyway, on to the unboxing. It allows you to listen to music and charge your phone at the same time, so we'll go ahead and unbox this thing. There's tape on here because I never unboxed this yet, so let's take a look at it. I need to set this down. Sometimes these tapes are a little bit hard to cut. Alright, I got it. I think I just trimmed my fingernails. It's gonna be a little bit tough trying to get this open. There we go, I opened it. Let's take it out. This is literally all what comes in the box. Is the splitter itself, and no instruction manuals, because you don't need instructions to use this thing. It is packed in there. Just pops right out of here. I am using my iPhone 7 to record this video, but you'll get the idea of how to use this thing. So you can see, you can easily plug in your charging cables. Things could be on the left, and your earbuds is could be on the right. It's got the regular little plug-in like this right here. So if you have one of these little things again, you can just plug it in. I'm just doing it one-handed. There. You just plug it in there and just listen to music through your aux port and plug into a nice pair of speakers, like your stereo system or your other kind of speakers that uses an auxiliary cable. You just do that. Or if you have the Apple earbuds with this little lightning cable, you can just use earbuds. It's cool. So you get the idea. I'm just unboxing something that anybody that has an iPhone 7 or newer, you need this product. So if anyone has an iPhone 7 or newer, you need this device. It's a must-have. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm not going to test it on camera because you'll get the idea on how it would actually work and stuff. So that's it for the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.